I'm here with Colonel Retired Richard Hansen, the chairman of the event here in London. Richard, thanks for sparing us a few precious minutes.
Yes, thank you.
I'd like to talk to you about the event, but also about how critical instant communications is for the soldier out in the field.
Yeah, absolutely. So I've been doing these conferences in and out of uniform for the last 2 decades. It's a great opportunity to collaborate between the military, the government, and industry, get us all together talking about our ideas, sharing our products, our processes, getting feedback from the warfighters that come here. Just a great venue to continue to advance providing capability to the dismounted soldier. You mentioned immediate communications, right? That's the challenge now in the battlefield. It's getting quicker, it's getting more complex. And so this venue, these products, the Dismounted Soldier System, is all about providing that situational awareness, both voice and digital communications to the soldier. So, excellent question. That's what we're about here, yes.
Yes, I mean, so we have, obviously you have experience of the event side, but obviously more materially, you have experience of being a serving soldier. How have things changed technology-wise since your day?
Yeah, well, so I was a program manager for a warrior system that does this. The more things change, Brian, the more they stay the same. So the same challenges that I saw as a soldier, the same challenges I saw as a program manager are the same challenges our soldiers and Marines are finding now. It's where am I? Where are my buddies? Where is the enemy? How do I bring the most effective force in this operation? All of that requires data. It requires us to have a wearable computer to be able to see all that. And so those challenges are the same. Shoot, move, communicate. We're just doing them in more technologically advanced ways. And that adds the complexity of it. That's what's the challenge. Our soldiers are getting smarter. They're getting more complex themselves, right? More sophisticated. And so we're pushing more and more data and situational awareness down to them. But they're executing it magnificently. So that's the big change, I think. How much we're giving our soldiers to do, and frankly, how much they're stepping up and taking control of that equipment and that kit.
And I guess it's only going to get more and more of the same with things like UAVs and other equipment that they can remotely access.
Yeah, so that's a great question. You know, it's true in soldier life as well as civilian. You see something flying above you and you say, there must be an app for that. Well, there's lots of apps for that now. With this wearable computer, we can look in the sky and say, I'd like to see the picture from that UAV. Download it to my screen. What's the enemy doing behind that hill or inside of that building, behind the wall? I might have an unmanned ground vehicle as a scout. I want to see the picture of that and get that intelligence. So there ought to be an app for that. I've got an app for that. And I can bring that all in to that. Maybe that strategic leader now, who's the squad leader or the rifleman that has to make that decision on the spot, he or she now has access to all those sensors, and it's a great way to enhance that person's capability. So, yeah.
Richard, a great pleasure to talk to you. Thank you.
Brian, thank you for doing what you do. Read your magazine all the time, and I look forward to the next one coming out.